What is a comma splice? A comma splice occurs when a comma incorrectly separates two independent clauses. For example, I went to the mall and Jane went to the zoo are both independent clauses that contain a subject and a verb and can grammatically stand on their own as complete sentences. Using a comma to separate the two clauses creates a comma splice. There are four main ways to correct comma splices with minimal changes to the sentence. Use a period to separate two independent clauses if the ideas are not closely related. The dog enjoys running through the sprinkler is not closely related to the cat sleeps inside all day, so they can be their own sentences. If the independent clauses are closely related, separate them with a semicolon. For example, the dog loves running around the yard all day. The cat prefers sleeping in the sun. Another way to fix a comma splice is to add a coordinating conjunction, such as for, and, or but after the commas splice. For example, the dog likes to play outside, but the cat prefers. Use a subordinating conjunction like as if, because, or unless. Because the dog makes the first part of the sentence a dependent clause and fixes the comma splice.